Hello everyone, today we've got another video where I'll walk you through a small sample program I've written in ALP. This time I want to show you how to create screen transitions using a handy tool called a combo box. As always, we'll start with a quick demo and then I'll break down how it works. My project has 4 screens. Right now we're on the start screen. It contains a combo box element that you can interact with using the select and up and down buttons. In this element, I select which screen I want to switch to. For example, let's choose screen 2 and press the OK button to confirm. As you can see, I'm now on the selected screen. I've added a small text label to help identify the screen, but you could also place control elements or display data here. To return to the main screen, I'm using a keyboard shortcut, Alt and Up. Let's try navigating to another screen, say screen 1. We select it in the combo box, press OK, and it takes us to screen 1. When I return to the main screen, take note. The combo box once again shows the message, select a screen. Here's how it works in ALP. In the Screen Manager, I added 4 screens. I named the first one, Set the Screen, and the others, Screen 1, Screen 2, and Screen 3. You can rename screens using the name property in each screen's settings. On the Start screen, I added a combo box element. This allows us to assign values to an integer variable, using readable on-screen text. This element is linked to a variable called screen number. Again, it's an integer. I customized the list so that when set the screen is chosen, the value 0 is written to the variable. Choosing screen 1, screen 2, or screen 3 writes values 1, 2, or 3 accordingly. It's worth noting that this element not only lets you set a variable but also displays the corresponding message based on the current variable value, similar to dynamic text. On the other screens, I've simply added text labels to show which screen is currently active. Next, I wrote a small logic program. When the screen number selected via the combo box is equal to 1, I use an equal block to detect it. This triggers a rising edge detector, which activates a Boolean variable called flag1 for 1 cycle. This variable is used to change the screen. I'll show you how that works shortly. Similarly, if the screen number is 2 or 3, I trigger flag 2 or flag 3 for 1 cycle, using separate edge detectors. Also, after selecting a screen using the combo box, I start a timer T on block. After 1 second, it resets the screen number variable back to 0 using a selector block. This returns the combo box to its default state, so when we go back to the start screen, we again see the message, select the screen. Now let's configure the screen transitions. In the Display Manager, I select the group that contains my screens, right-click, and choose Edit Group. As you'll see, I've already added transitions. Here's how you do it. Pick the screen you want to configure and find the jump property. Initially it will say no. Click that line, then click the 3 dots to open the transition editor. There, you choose the destination screen and define the jump condition. That can be either a device-generated event, like a button combination on the panel, or a variable change, if you want to trigger jump from within your logic program. So in my case, transitions from the start screen to screens 1, 2, and 3 are triggered by variable changes, specifically by the flag variables. The return transitions from screens 3, 2, and 1 back to the start screen are triggered by device events. In this case, the keyboard shortcut, Alt and Up. As I mentioned earlier, the ideas for this and the previous video came from your comments. So if you've got interesting suggestions, don't hesitate. Leave us a comment under our videos on YouTube or akYtec's site. That's all from me for now. See you next time.